Assalamualaikum. Oil 0.1 tsp. Curry patta black chana 500 gram. Boiled chana 6/7 minute fry. 4 tomato with cutting. 3 chili 4/5. 2 onion large size cutting. 1 red chili 1 tsp. Turmeric half tsp. Coriander powder 1 tsp. Garam masala 1 tsp. Chaat masala 1 tsp. Chicken masala powder 1 tsp. Salt 1 tsp. 10-15 minutes cook. Coriander leaves. Subscribe to my channel. Full potato boiled. Ready my recipe. Yummy masala chana. Subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.